Lenovo has launched the new Lecoo Air 14 laptop in China, with the device set to go on sale today at 8 p.m. China time. The laptop has a retail price of 4,499 yuan, $664, while the launch price has been set at 3,999 yuan, $591. The Lecoo Air 14 is a portable machine built around a unibody all-metal chassis that is just 12.95 mm thick and weighs only 990 grams. It comes with a 14-inch display offering a 1920 by 1200 resolution, a 60 Hz refresh rate, 300 nits of brightness, and 100% sRGB color coverage. The screen also supports DC dimming. The laptop is powered by Intel's Core i5-315 processor with 6 cores and 6 threads. It is paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5 memory running at 5600 MHz and a 512 GB NVMe SSD. The device ships with Windows 11 pre-installed. Lenovo claims the built-in 50Wh battery can deliver up to 16.8 hours of battery life. The laptop also includes a 65W USB-C PD charger in the box. For connectivity, users get 2 full-function USB-C ports on the left side, while the right side houses another USB-C 5 gigabits per second port and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The Lecoo Air 14 is also notable for being the first commercial laptop based on Intel's Project Firefly initiative. The program aims to lower the cost of thin and light Windows laptops by standardizing components and using supply chain practices commonly seen in the smartphone industry. According to Intel, more than 70 laptop designs are expected to be developed under Project Firefly. The Lecoo Air 14 is the first product to reach consumers, offering a lightweight design, long battery life, and modern specifications at an affordable price point. At present, Lenovo has only confirmed the laptop for the Chinese market, with no details about global availability.